Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create awesome animated characters just like this one. It is super easy, you do not need any technical knowledge and will take you less than 3 minutes to complete. Here's the good part, it is totally free and you don't need to know how to draw to complete this. I'll show you how to generate these characters, whether they are 2D or 3D characters, how to animate them, and how to make them lip sync to your audio. I'll also show you how to create characters that look like you in this video. You don't need any technical knowledge and it's as easy as ABC. My name is Abur, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, do well to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on important updates just like this one. So let's get straight down to the business of the day. Okay, so to create your image, which we are going to be making use of to create this 3D animation, first of all, you have to visit this website, chatgpt.com. You can also install their app from the Google Play Store. Once you are here on the website, what you have to do next is to upload the image you wish to convert to a 3D animation. So we may to convert to a picture before convert to a 3D animation. So I'll just be uploading one picture here. To do that, you click on this plus icon here. Note, it's actually free. You can do this on the free version. So you click on this plus icon here and then we'll add photos from our gallery. Alright, so once you are here, you can select the image you want to make use of. Let's pick this one. And then you type in your prompt here where they said ask anything. So you just click here and type. So we can say generate a 3D cartoon image of using this picture. Let's say generate a 3D male cartoon image using this picture, sitting in a studio wearing a YouTube shirt with the caption Abur and facing the camera. The background should also reflect a YouTube studio. Once we are done with that, you are good to go. Just click on this arrow button here and your image will be generated. So generate a 3D make cartoon image using this picture, sitting in a studio wearing a shirt with the caption Abur and facing the camera. The background should reflect a YouTube studio. So our image is being generated. Okay, as you can see, our image has been generated. It's looking super nice and we can use this to proceed with our video. Now that you've gotten the image you need, all you have to do is to save this to your phone storage, and to do that we just click on the download button here, and as you can see our image is downloaded. You can click on open. Yes, this is our image and we are good to go. Okay, so once you are ready to create your video, you just have to come over to this website, hedron.com. I'll be leaving the link to the website in the description. So once you're here, what you're interested in is the video. You can use this website to even create an entire movie. You can use this website to do a lot. So but we'll be using it for our cartoon animation now. So all you have to do is click on video, and then we'll add our character here. You just have to locate the image we created. So you click on this plus icon here where the character is written, then upload image, and then we'll click here to upload. Alright, so if you wish to add your audio here, you just click audio script, and there are three ways you can add your audio. You can either generate your speech, record your audio, or upload your audio from upload your already pre-recorded audio. Let's try this generate speech. If you wish to generate speech, just click on generate speech, then you can just say, hi, this channel offers valuable videos for free. Kindly like, subscribe, and share so I can make more videos like this. So if you have something like this, you can add to your video. Let's just say, please like and subscribe. So this is if you wish to generate your text to speech. If you wish to generate your text to speech, note if you are making use of the free version, you have access to limited text, I think 200 text, but that should be okay. But then if you do not wish to make use of the free version, you can upgrade to the premium. But for the free version, you have access to all the features, just like this. You have access to all the features. So all you have to do now is to choose the voice you want to make use of, and let's select, let's say, lion. Let's select this, and you can just select add to audio at the bottom, add to video at the bottom here. Once you do that, you are good to go. But then I don't want to generate a speech with them here because I love 11 labs. And I love audio recordings, like my own audio recordings. So if you want to add a pre-recorded audio, I'll be dropping the link to 11 labs because their voices are very nice. I'll drop the link to 11 labs in case you wish to generate audios by yourself. You can make use of 11 labs. But for this video, I'll be uploading an audio I made myself, which is the one I'm using for this video. I will not be uploading one from 11 labs. And note, you on the free version, which has all the features, you have a limit of 300 credits. So but if you are able to watch this video to the end, I'll show you how you can even earn up to 30,000, 3,000, or unlimited number of credits on the free version. So make sure you watch this video to the end. I'll show you how you can get a lot of credits to make use of on the free version. So to add our audio script here, I'll be uploading an audio I already recorded. So just select audio script, upload audio, and then you locate the audio. Okay. So let me just, this is the audio. Okay, so I've added the audio we are going to make use of. Let me just play it so that you can hear. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create awesome animated characters just like this one. It is super easy, you do not need any technical. Alright, so we are good to go. Now we can make use of this audio to create our video. There's a feature here if you wish to make use of it to remove background noise. If you want to make use of it to remove background noise, I'm not going to be making use of it right now. Once you are done, you have to just click add to video, and your audio has been added. Now you need to prompt your character to act the way you want. You can make the character do anything you want, but for this video I'm just going to be making use of, let's say, hand gestures, and that's all. So with this, now you are good to go. All you have to do is click on this button here. Before we generate this video, if you wish to get unlimited number of credits, for each new account you create, you are given 300 free credits, and that's the credits are given to you based on your new email. There's a website you can go to get new emails where you don't need to be creating emails over and over again, and that is tempmail.com or tempmail.com. So I'll leave the link in the description also. If you wish to create an email, you can make use of it once you are done with the free credits. If you wish to get more credits, you can also create more emails. So it's entirely free. Note, all the features I described in this video are free, and there's a limited they only limit the length of your clip and the amount of credits for the free version. But if you wish to upgrade, you can upgrade. I think per month their premium version is $10 per month. $10 per month. So if you wish to make use of a premium version, well, so let's generate this now. Okay, as you can see, our video has been generated. All you have to do is to play it and see the result. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create awesome animated characters just like this one. It is super easy, you do not need any technical knowledge, and will take you less than 3 minutes to complete. Okay, so we are good to go. If you know this video was valuable, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I've left the links to all the websites I described in this video in the comment section. Alright, so to download the video you've recorded, it's super easy. You can just click and hold the video, and then you select download video, and your video will be downloaded. On the free version there's no watermark. On the premium version there's no watermark. So everything on the free and the premium versions are the same, just that the length of characters on the free version is limited to 200 characters if you wish to type. Then the audio upload length is limited to 20 seconds, and the number of credits per month is 300 credits. So if you wish to get more, if you wish to create lengthy videos, all you have to do is to have more temporary images like I told you, and you can create as many videos as you want. Okay, so let's click on our downloaded video to see what it looks like. Just come over to your downloads and we'll click our video. This is what we have as a result. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create awesome animated characters just like this one. It is super easy, you do not need any technical knowledge, and will take you less than 3 minutes to complete. If this video was valuable to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out important updates just like this one.